Welcome to the Growing Great Kids Self-Study Overview. When you first heard of self-study, did you think of this? Our new Growing Great Kids prenatal to 36 months and preschool courses have joined several of our other courses that are also self-paced. So what does that mean for you or for your team? And what does that look like? We first start our self-study journey with an email. When the course is purchased through our GK store, it is assigned. When that assignment is made, our GK store automatically sends out an email informing the person it was assigned to that they have been invited to redeem their Growing Great Kids course. This is what the email looks like, and you can see you've been invited. If that person is new to using the GK Academy, they will also receive emails about their new GK Professional Development Academy login and password information. If they've been assigned courses previously, they can log into their GK Academy account and access their course. Our self-study course is a fully interactive course. Let's start by taking a look at the course page. We can see that we start with an introduction. And let's take a look at the introduction section itself. Here is the introduction. We have 3 sections: tips for success, navigating the course, and course overview. In tips for success, we provide tips for success. We also provide information on post-training support that is available. And during the course, there are 2 emails that are provided for any support that is needed during the course itself. GK Trainer at Great Kids for questions and technical support for any problems that are happening on the platform itself. In navigating the course, you can see all of the ways that the self-study is interactive. And in the course overview, you can see that there are 5 parts to the GGK P to 36 course. Part 1 focuses on foundational concepts. Part 2, the daily do's. Part 3, attachment boosters. Part 4, planning, partnering, and best practice recommendations. And Part 5 is all about the Growing Great families. As you can see, the self-study doesn't mean figuring it out on your own. Self-study means you get to decide the pace at which you work and learn, where your breaks happen, when the opportunities to explore the manuals happen, and when to make your visual. Self-study means you have flexibility and control over when and how you learn within the framework of an interactive online course. For more support, please contact your success consultant.